Turn around in a circle. Turn around in a circle. Keep going. Oh, we're going to play that game. Jack. Back around in another circle. Hey. Yeah. Do it again. Slap. That doggy. Oh. Go get him, huh? Yeah. Okay. It's a staring contest? Silly doggy, huh? Where are you going? Can you fit in there? I don't think so. I think your head's too big, Jack. You have to go around. No, you can't go in there. You have to go around. Your head is too big. Can you come around? Come on. Oh, that's cheating. You're supposed to cruise over there. That's cheating. You're a cheater. Oh, you're gonna climb up me. I can't do this. When you climb up me, hi. Hi. Yeah? Climb up your mom? Haha. Okay. The end.